I just wanted to make a quick video to show my 22 ammo. Here on the end I have 100 rounds of Remington 22 shorts, 200 rounds of CCI 22 shorts, 150 rounds of Winchester Wildcat 22 long rifle, 300 rounds of Federal Lightning long rifle, 500 rounds of CCI long rifle, 2,000 rounds of Remington Thunderbolt, one 525 round value pack of Federal, one 500 round value pack of Winchester, one 555 round value pack of Winchester, one 525 round value pack of the Remington Golden Bullets, and next to that there's another 100 round pack and a 50 round pack of the Remington Golden Bullets. Then I have 900 rounds of the CCI 22 long rifle hollow points. Next to that I have 300 rounds of the CCI Stinger 22 long rifle hollow points. And on the end there I have 300 rounds of CCI Velociter 22 long rifle hollow points.